Classification of plants. Look at the given picture. Do you know what it is? Where is this plant growing? It is a cycas, the first plants to have seeds. In this video, we will explore gymnosperms, which are a unique group of plants that do not have bright flowers or seeds that are protected in fruit. We will examine types of them as well as their characteristics and the way they reproduce. Various gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are a group of plants that produce seeds not enclosed within the ovary of fruit. The word gymnosperm comes from the Greek words gymnos, naked, and sperma, seed, hence known as naked seeds. What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are the seed-producing plants, but they produce seeds without fruits. These seeds develop on the surface of scales or leaves or at the end of stalks, forming a cone-like structure. Types of gymnosperms: conifer, cycas, gnatophytes. Life cycle of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms reproduce with an alteration of generations, meaning their reproductive cycle has both haploid and diploid phases. The stem of gymnosperms can be branched or unbranched. The thick cuticle needle-like leaves and sunken stomata reduce the rate of water loss in these plants. Characteristics of gymnosperms. They are perennial or woody, forming trees or bushes. The female cone is not differentiated into ovaries, style and stigma. Since stigma is absent, they are pollinated directly by the wind. They form cones with reproductive structures. The seeds contain endosperm. Endosperm tissues surrounds and nourishes the embryo in the seed that stores food for the growth and development of the plant. These plants have vascular tissues which help in the transportation of nutrient and water. Following are some of the examples: cycas, pinus, thuja. Let's summarize what we have learned. Gymnosperms are not flowering plants. The seeds are not enclosed in an ovary or fruit. They are exposed on the surface of the leaf-like structure of the gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are usually found in colder regions when snowfall occurs. However, cycads are found in dry and tropical regions. Questions. Define gymnosperms with some examples. What are the characteristics of gymnosperms? How do gymnosperms reproduce? Where are gymnosperms found?